हेलो दोस्तों, केजी क्लासेस में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम आपको अल्फ्रेड लॉर्ड टेनिसन की क्रोनोलॉजी के बारे में पढ़ाएंगे। 1809 अल्फ्रेड टेनिसन born at Somersby on August 6, 1815 joined Louth Grammar School. 1820 left Louth Grammar School. 1826 poems by two brothers, published by Jacksons of Louth. 1828 joined Trinity College, Cambridge. 1829 awarded Chancellor's Medal for the prize poem Timbuktu. 1830 met Emily Selwood, his future wife, for the first time in the spring of this year. 1830 poems chiefly lyrical published. 1830 Tennyson and Arthur Hallam visit the Pyrenees with money and instruction for the Spanish revolutionaries. 1831 Arthur Hallam became engaged to Tennyson's sister Emily in the beginning of this year. 1831 death of Tennyson's father in March. 1831 Tennyson leaves Cambridge without taking a degree. 1832 poems chiefly lyrical reviewed in Backwoods magazine. 1832 Tennyson made a tour on the Rhine. 1832 poems including Oenone, Onion and the Lotus Eaters. 1832 Hallam left Cambridge for Lincoln's Inn. 1833 review of poems by John Wilson Croker in Quarterly Review. 1833 sudden death of Arthur Hallam at Bina on September 15. 1836 marriage of Tennyson's brother Charles in May. Emily Selwood act as bridesmaid. 1837 Tennyson family moved from Somersby to High Wyche near Epping, Essex. 1838 Tennyson formally engaged to Emily Selwood. 1840 Tennyson's engagement broken off. 1840 Tennyson's family moves to Tunbridge Bell, Kent. 1841 Tennyson's family moves to Boxley, Kent. 1842 poems published in 2 volumes in May. 1842 poems published in America by Ticknor. 1843 Tennyson loses his capital in the failure of Dr. Allen's scheme for wood carving by machinery. 1845 Tennyson awarded a pension by the government. 1847 The Princess. 1850 In Memoriam. 1850 Tennyson's marriage with Emily Selwood. 1850 Tennyson's made poet laureate. 1851 Tennyson's first son died at birth. 1852 Tennyson's second son Hallam Tennyson born. 1853 Tennyson settled a Farringford Isle of Wight. 1854 third son Lionel Tennyson born. 1854 the charge of the Light Brigade. 1855 Maud. 1859 Iliads of the King. 1864 poems including Enoch Arden and the Northern Farmer Old Style. 1868 Tennyson laid the foundation of his new house Aldworth, Hellsmere. 1868 Lucretius. 1869 in Holy Grail. 1872 Gareth and Lynette. 1880 Ballads and other poems including The Voyage of Maldon Rijpe and The Defense of Lucknow. 1833 accepted a peerage from Gladstone. 1884 Hallam Tennyson married Audrey Bowley. 1885 Tarsi and other poems including Crossing the Bar. 1892 The Foresters. 1892 Death of Tennyson on October 6. 1892 Tennyson's buried in वेस्टमिंस्टर एबे ऑन अक्टूबर 12। दोस्तों, आप इनकी क्रोनोलॉजी से अंदाज़ लगा सकते हैं कि इन्हें अपना समय बिल्कुल भी व्यर्थ में नहीं गंवाया। इसलिए मेरी आशा है कि आप लोग भी एक अच्छे भविष्य बनाने के लिए अपने समय को बिल्कुल ना गंवाइएगा। सो थैंक्स, ऑल द बेस्ट।